Hello guys, welcome to your channel Ray of Hope. So we are moving towards our practical sessions and we just install XAMPP and DVWA damn wonderful web applications, right? So we will go ahead and install another wave or insecure web application, which is bWAPP, and we will do the setup for the same. Basically bWAPP is one of the web application where there it is absolutely free actually, okay, and you can practice all the bug bounties and penetration testing, especially on website. It has more than 100 bugs available from CSRF, SSRF, SQL injection, HTML injection and whatnot, right? So this is one of the best place to practice and we will be doing the setup for the same. However, if we go ahead and install, just do bWAPP, right? So what you're gonna find over here, that this website, if you just go ahead on this bWAPP official website and go over here and if you download here, right, you will see something that it is showing warning malware detected, and I would never suggest anyone to go ahead and download something which has malware detected, right? I know it is a vulnerable machine, that means a malware will be there on this file, right? Still I would not suggest. If you have seen my last videos, you must have seen when we were downloading DVWA or jam, we did not have something called malware detected, right? So we will not download that. And let me show you, even if I download this file, what gonna happen? I clicked on download, right, and we will find something. Just a moment. Okay, so it is getting downloaded, right? Just a couple of more seconds it's gonna take. Are we done? Okay, we downloaded it. Okay, so if I just go ahead, okay, it got automatically removed. Did you find it? I mean, I did not do so, right? It just got automatically removed, right? Virus detected. Even your Windows is not accepting this file, right? That means on this website there could be severe vulnerabilities that may impact your systems, and therefore I would not suggest you to go ahead and download anything which can impact on your system. So now what else we can do in order to perform, in order to do, in order to use this session, right? Just a moment, let me show you something more about it. A moment. In the meantime, I'll be going for something else actually, okay? If you go ahead and download this O apps broken web application project download, right? This is basically an image file which will contain every certain needs or every certain insecure web application that we gonna need in order to perform penetration testing. We're gonna go ahead and download this from here. Let me see if my Kali is working right now or not. Okay. It is working, right? So if I just go ahead and show you the balance total report of that file, Okay, you can use the virus tool. I did downloaded that from over here, right? But it got removed from my system as Windows Security removed that file. However, I download that on my virtual machine, and over here I uploaded that on virus total to know what exactly this file contains, right? So I seen, right, there is a backdoor shell code and execution was there, right? So if we would have extracted this file may lead to create a backdoor, and you can see, right? So the a lot of vulnerabilities are there, right? A remote shell execution was there. So it is not a suggestion to install on your system, not even your virtual machine, right? Thank you. Now let's go ahead, and I think we are done with this. Okay, so we just downloaded this O apps broken babe application, right? So I'm gonna cut it. I mean, you can extract over here as well, right? But I do not have any much spaces on my C driver, so I'm gonna create a new virtual machine, new insecure VM, right? So I have created one folder named insecure VM. I'm gonna paste it over here, the file which I just downloaded. Cut it. D insecure VM, paste it. So let it get completed. Yeah, so finally we are done. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extract this file, and you can use binral or 7 anything to like a 7-zip or extract here from bin anything. So I'm gonna just use binral only, and it will extract the file. It will take few couple of seconds or maybe 1 minute. Let it get completed. So yeah, finally we are done with the downloading, I mean extracting of the file. So let's wait for another few couple of minutes or seconds actually. Okay, we are done, right? We are done. So what I'm gonna do, I'll open VMware. I'm gonna click on file, click on open, D insecure VM, this file, see, virtual machine image file which is a 2 KB. Open it. Okay, finally we have got O apps broken BAPE apps VMware version 1.2. What I'm gonna do, just open this machine. O apps broken, the virtual machine has moved or copied it. If you don't answer, just yeah, just click on I copied it. That's fine. Okay, so let it get done. It will take 1 or 2 more minutes, right? Okay, so I think we are done. Few more couple of seconds. Sometimes it takes a bit longer than usual. Okay, guys, can you see now? O apps bWA login. You can find the username is root and the password is O apps OS bWA, right? So always remember that username is root, password is O W A S P B W A. Hit enter. Finally we are done. First let me just go ahead and check if I am on the NAT or a bridge network. Click on setting. I am on the NAT, right? Make sure that when you are going to perform anything on this machine, you are on the NAT. It is literally a damn whenever operating machines, right? And that may lead you to have some consequences. So make sure that you are on the NAT. you can find one IP over here, 192.168.128.193. Let's go ahead. 192.168, what was that? 192.168, 192.168, 128.193, 128.193, 128.193. That was the okay. So continue to this site, guys. You can find, right, you can find something called over here that this is a OAPS bWA, right? All the training applications, BIB got, Rails got, Shepherd, bWAPP. This is what we were talking about. Let's open it. You will find if I'm not wrong, let it get completed. So B will be covering all the labs over here, okay, in upcoming series. Now if I just go ahead and can see that we are on bWAPP login pages. In terms of that localhost DVWA, if you remember, there were few vulnerabilities that was not there, right? Let me show you. HTML injection, definitely I'm with command based injection, where it is we can get perform HTML, but we need to have a lab for that, right? B bug security level low mid, so we will be increasing the level accordingly. So now it's just low, okay, never, okay. You will find all the labs. Now basic HTML reflected get method, HTML reflected post method, current URL stored, LDAP, then OS command based. Can you find a lot of vulnerabilities? And you know what? This is just a basic, right? So more. This is how. If I just click on medium and set, the level of difficulty will get changed. If I just click on high and set, the level of difficulty will get changed, right? So this is how we gonna work on, okay. If I just click on this, blocks, continue. So there are a lot of things that we will be covering in our upcoming videos. At this point of time, all you need to know that we have installed XAMPP, we have installed DVWA, which is here, and now we have installed our bWAPP portal, right? So we have now all the tools which is required in order to perform penetration testing and bug bounty in terms of any attack that we are talking about. We always talk about where I can perform SQL injection, where I can perform like CSS, SSRF. But now over here, we will perform every bug that we are talking about, and we will be talking about, right? So see you soon. Stay touch with us and stay watching. Subscribe to our channel, share with your friends, and share your genuine review that how you feel watching us.